Welcome back to the channel. So I'm obviously not in the Mojave Desert. I'm away from Nevada at the moment. I'm in Ohio visiting family. And I'm going to be here for a couple of weeks. So I packed a radio. And I bought an antenna. And I bought a battery. And I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to try and activate a park. So this is Lake Milton State Park. It hasn't always been a state park, but a few years back the state took it over and made some improvements. This is one of those improvements. Is this area right here. There's a nice little walking path over there. Nice place to walk your dog, or just walk. But this is where I grew up. So I moved to Nevada in 1998, and the first part of my life I spent here at Ohio. And I have fond memories of this lake. So right over there is the dam. I know it's hard to spot. I'll give you a close-up. Many times I sat on that dam and had a fishing line in the water. It's a pretty good sized lake. There's about 4 or 5 of these lakes that are all tied together by the Mahoning River, and they become the water supply for Youngstown, Austintown, that area of the state. I have a fond memory of way over there on that beach late at night with 3 of my friends jumping in a 3 or 4 man, let's see, a 3-man canoe, 4 of us in a 3-man canoe at night with nothing but a lantern, no life jackets, and we decided we were going to row across the lake. Got about halfway, and then a park ranger ran us down, yelled at us, told us to go home before he called our parents. So a lot of fond memories. That bridge over there, I remember riding across with my motorcycle at about 9 o'clock at night, and by the time I got to the other side, the mosquitoes were so thick on my face shield I couldn't see. So, memories. But we've got a park bench, or 2. We've got a JPC-12 antenna, so let's get set up. This is the JPC-12, of course, from Go Z Zoo, I think is the name of the company. Probably one of the more popular ones. And the 891 is the radio that flew with me. So this I ordered along with the JPC-12. Evidently this is the biggest size of battery that you can fly with. So we're going to be breaking new ground when I go through TSA this next time around. We'll see what happens. So I've already did some preliminary testing with this lithium iron phosphate battery. And the life seems to be pretty good. I got the radio turned down to 25 watts. So if I have to, I can turn it up because it seems to be working. As far as battery life goes, it seems to be working okay. I don't have a tremendous amount of coax. This is just RG58 stranded, cheap Amazon stuff that I ordered because this was all kind of spur of the moment. But we'll put the antenna right there. So the radials are just ribbon cable. Get out of here. And you can split this into 10 separate ground radials if you want. I chose 5. And we'll play with that for a while and see how that works. From what I've seen on YouTube, it seems like the first thing that gets modified with these antennas is the ground radial system. Alright, I'm just going to plumb bob this a little bit. Try and get it as straight up and down, as vertical as I can make it. Of course, this is the key right here to this antenna's multi-band capability with this slider. So this lower point is going to be 40 meters, and then the upper point is going to be 20 meters, and everything in between. Actually, that's vice versa. I had it upside down. But you get the idea. And when this thing is fully extended, it's about 13.5 feet tall. And 13.5 feet, of course, is very close to a quarter wavelength on 20 meters. So this thing should be pretty doggone good on 20 meters. This tangling, of course, is why one of the first things that get modified are the ground radials. And there you have it. So radials are laid out. There's 5 of them. I think that since the coax laying on the ground, that actually forms the 6th radial. And the antenna is fully extended. And we've got it set on the 20 meter tap. I've already verified that that is accurate. I'm going to use Polo to log this stuff with, which is an awesome app, by the way. The part number here is 3515, in case you're interested. And here we go. Do a quick SWR check on AM. Probably 1.1, so we're good. Let's go hunting.
Sorry about that. November 8, Juliet Sierra Delta / Alpha Golf doing a CQ POTA.
Alpha India 7, Victor Victor, park to park.
Alpha India 7, park to park. Go ahead, sir.
Alpha India 7, Victor Victor, park to park. The park number is 3515.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, park to park at US 3515. You are a 5-9 into Missouri, and that park number US 0779.
And what's the call sign?
November 8th, Juliet Sierra Delta / Alpha Golf.
Thank you. You're 5-9 into northeastern Ohio.
Appreciate the 5-9, sir, into Ohio. And you guys have a good rest of your activation as well.
You as well.
73. All right. Let's see. November 8th, Juliet Sierra Delta / Alpha Golf and CQ POTA. Whiskey 5 Delta, Romeo Tango.
CQ Park Folier, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Kilo Charlie 2 Hotel Mike Delta calling CQ, CQ Park Folier.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, park to park.
Alpha India Station.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor. You coming 555 into Aquasan 0252. Give me your park, please.
Yeah, you're 5-5 into northeast Ohio. The park number is US 3515. 3515.
Got it now. I got it now. 2515. Old Mill, Minnesota. QSL.
Negative 3515. 3515.
Roger. Patient 3515. You coming 5555. Uncle Sam 0252. QSL.
0252 is the park number, QSL.
Roger.
And what's the call, sir?
The call is Kilo Charlie 2 Hotel Mike Delta. QSL.
Is the last three Sierra Mike Delta?
Honolulu, Mexico, Denmark. Honolulu, Mexico, Denmark. QSL.
Okay, I've got the Mexico, Denmark. What comes right before that?
Roger. Jorge, Florida. Name is Jorge. Juliet Oscar Romeo Golf Echo. They call it Kilo Charlie number 2 Hotel Mike Delta. QSL.
QSL, I got it that time. Thank you much, sir. Have a great day, 7-3s.
73, many thanks.
Kilo Romeo 4, Alpha Uniform Golf.
So I had the radio set on 25 watts. I'm going to up that to 50 watts.
Alpha Echo 0, Quebec Echo. Where is it?
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, park to park.
Alpha Echo 7, please. Was there a park to park?
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, park to park.
Alpha India 7, Victor Victor, park to park. Euro 59 into US 12659 are standing by.
Yes, you're 5-9 into US 3515, roger.
I copy 3515, 3515 QSL.
QSL, what's the call sign?
Alpha Echo 0, Quebec Echo, AE0QE.
Got it. Thanks for the contact, 73s.
73, appreciate you hunting. Park to park, appreciate it. 5973. Charlie 9, Delta.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor.
Well, I got the last call there. Victor. Go ahead.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, US park number 3515. You're 5-9 plus in the Northeast Ohio today.
Oh, you were 5-9 here in the Victor Tango today. And let's see, to get your park, give me navigate myself. This is Alpha India 7 Victor Victor.
QSL, that's correct.
Okay, very good. I was just trying to navigate here a bit. And your park number is, go ahead.
US 3515. I'll need your call and park as well.
Very good. US 3515. 3515. Very good. My call is Kilo 2 Alpha Sierra Tango. And this is Park US 3106.
3106 QSL 73 and good hunting.
Thank you very much. 73.
Okay, the sun's going down. I need one more contact to activate this park, so let's get it done.
Hey, thanks for hunting. I appreciate the contact. 7-3. Yours, Ed.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, park to park.
Kilo Bravo 3, Romeo Charlie Tango. Jeff, you're a 5 and 9, US 7372, Illinois.
QSL, you're also 559 into Papa Alpha. 73's up on it there.
All right, 73, thanks for the contact. I appreciate it. Was there a park to park? Park to park only, please.
Alpha India 7 Victor Victor, park to park, US 3515.
Okay, the station is 3515. 3515 only, please.
3515 Northeast Ohio. The call sign is Alpha India 7 Victor Victor.
Okay, Alpha India 7, Victor Victor, QSL?
QSL, you're 57 into Northeast Ohio, US 3515.
Roger, copy, US 3515. You are a 5 and 7 here in US 7372 in Illinois.
Roger, what's the call sign again?
Call sign is Whiskey Bravo 9 Kilowatt Whiskey Delta stroke Alpha Echo. That's Whiskey Bravo 9 Kilo Whiskey Delta stroke Alpha Echo.
Roger, thanks for the contact. Good hunting.
All right, thanks for the contact. Appreciate it. Was there another park to park?
Kilo Charlie 1 Quebec Delta Zulu Park.
And that is a park activation. Well, that was fun. I'm glad that I was able to activate my first park ever. And I timed up pretty good because the sun's starting to go down. Then I could have just switched over to 40 meters and probably finished it out. But all in all, the band conditions were really good today. And that kind of made that look easy. But I have to say that the AZ radio did a great job. That's kind of the first time I've used it portable like that. I've used it mobile many times in the past. That's kind of what I bought it for. But it makes for a great mobile rig as well. So, very happy with the performance of the FT891 in this situation. I'm also very happy with this battery. That was about an hour and 15 minutes of receive/transmit. And a lot of that was at 50 watts. And it hung in there. So I'm going to take it back and I'm going to put the charger on it and see how long it takes to recharge with a 1 amp charger. And that'll give me an idea of how much reserve capacity I had. But it's a very nice little battery. I'll probably do a review of this at some point in the future. Very happy with the performance of the JPC-12 antenna. I'll get that broke down here in a minute and get put away. It only takes about 5 minutes to deploy and take this thing down. I really like it. So Quartz Fest is coming up in a couple months. I think I'm going to take it there. And all in all, a fun day at the park. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.